Hello year one and welcome to your English lesson. Like yesterday, make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. Today, our learning objective is to know how to ask questions. We are going to identify the question words, explore the question words, and apply the question words. Now, what is in red? Where do you live? How do you bake a cake? Who likes chocolate ice cream? Why do we have to come to school every day? When is your birthday? Pause the video and have a think. What is in red? They are question words. Where, how, who, why, when. They are question words. Each question word is telling you the kind of answers we are looking for. Who, what doing, what, where, how, why. Let's go through our question words. Who, we're looking for a person or a character. What doing, we're looking for an action. Where, we're looking for a place. What, we're looking for a noun like a color or an object. Why, we're using because to explain your answer. We need a reason. How is to give an instruction. How to do something or how do you feel? Spot the question word. Where does Barry live? Where is the question word. Where, we're looking for a place. Where does Barry live? Barry lives under the sea. Question words again. Who, what doing? Where, what, why, how. Spot the question words. What color are Barry's fingers? What is the question word? Well done. The answer that we're looking for is a noun like a color or an object. What color are Barry's fingers? Barry's fingers are orange. Question words. Who, a person. What doing, an action. Where, a place. What, a noun like a color or an object. Why, we need to use because to explain our answer. It's a reason. How, give an instruction. Or how do you do something or how do you feel? Spot the question word. Why is Puffy sulking? The question word is why. Why is Puffy sulking? Puffy is sulking because he was jealous of Barry's fingers. Why? We need a reason for our answer. Why is our question word. Question words. Who, what doing, where, what, why, and how. Spot the question word. Would you like to play tick or chase with Barry? And why? The question word was why. A question word doesn't always have to be at the beginning of our question. Would you like to play tick or chase with Barry is a question, but does not have a question word. And today we are using question words. Why was our question word. Who, a character or a person. What doing, an action. Where, a place. What, a noun like a color or an object. Why, using because to explain your answer. How, given an instruction. How do you do something or how do you feel? Today we are going to think of 5 questions to ask one of the characters. We are going to use 5 different question words. But first, let's explore our question words. Which question word should I use? The answer that I am looking for is a person or a character. Is it A, where is your best friend? B, why is your best friend? Or C, who is your best friend? A, B, or C? It's C. Who is your best friend? That's right. The question word who means we're looking for a person or a character as an answer. Which question word shall I use? The answer I am looking for is a place. Is it A, how did you learn blowing bubbles? B, where did you learn blowing bubbles? Or C, when did you learn blowing bubbles? B, where did you learn blowing bubbles? The question word where means we need a place as an answer. Let's go over our question words. Who, what doing, where, what, why, and how. Which question word shall I use? The answer I'm looking for is either to give me an instruction or how do I feel? Is it A, who do you blow bubbles? B, how do you blow bubbles? Or C, what doing do you blow bubbles? B, how do you blow bubbles? How? The brown question words. How do you blow bubbles? Give me instruction on how to blow bubbles. Who, a person or a character. What, doing, an action. Where, a place. What, a noun, like a color or an object. Why, using because to explain your answer. We need a reason. How, give an instruction. How do you do something or how do you feel? Which question is correct? Is it A, who your is best friend? B, who is your best friend? C, who best friend is your? B was the correct question. Who is your best friend? Our questions start with the question word who and finishes with a question mark, and the words are in the correct order. It sounds right. Who is your best friend? Which question is correct? Is it A, what fell in the sea? B, what in the sea fell? C, what fell the sea in? It was A, what fell in the sea. What is our question word? At the end, we have a question mark, and the question makes sense. What fell in the sea? Which question is correct? Is it A, where did the crate fall? B, where did the crate fall? Or C, where did the crate fall? It was C, where did the crate fall? C has got question word, where, and the question mark at the end. And it makes sense. Where did the crate fall? A has got the question word where, but has an exclamation mark at the end, not a question word. And B has got the question word where, but has got a full stop. This is not a question. We need a question mark. We need a question mark at the end. Where did the crate fall? Question mark. Which question is correct? Is it A, how is feeling Puffy? How is Puffy feeling? How is Puffy feeling? C, how is Puffy feeling? C has got the question word how and the question mark at the end of our question. B has got the question word how and the question makes sense, but it has not got a question mark at the end. Let's go over our question words. Who, we're looking for a person or a character. What, doing, an action. Where, a place. What, a noun, like a color or an object. Why, using because to explain your answer. How, give an instruction. How do you do something or how do you feel? In your book, I want you to choose one of the characters. Write 5 questions using 5 different question words. Remember to use a question mark at the end of your question to punctuate your questions. You have the question words who, what, doing, what, where, how, and why. You can pause the video now or you can play back parts that you want to double check. Write your questions and send them to your teacher. Challenge. Today we have 6 new words from our word wall. We have got truly amazing, squash, grumpy, puppets, piano, and trumpet. Here are my clues for today. A. I am a musical instrument with black and white keys. B. I am not in a good mood. C. I am little characters that you can move using your fingers. Pause the video and have a look. What words am I on the word wall? Let's tick or fix. A. I am a piano. A piano is a musical instrument with black and white keys. Is a what word? Is a green word because it's a noun. A piano is an object. B. I am not in a good mood. I am grumpy. Puffy was grumpy. That was a feeling. Is a brown word. Is a how word. How is he feeling? C. I am little characters that you can move using your fingers. Puppets. That's right. Puppets is a green word. It's a noun. It's an object. Puppets. Well done, year one, for your hard work today. Keep growing your brain, and remember you can always play the video again to practice the parts you found challenging. Well done, and bye for now.